guys, welcome back to Zig the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to fix get this app from Play Store problem on Android. But before I do that, please click on the subscribe button. It really helps a lot. So first thing you need to know about this is that what this simply means is that the source you're trying to get it, you won't be able to get it from it. Maybe you're trying to use a browser to install that particular app, but you actually need to get it from Play Store. That is what it simply means, right? So all you need to do is just uninstall the app you got from, or you're trying to get from the browser, and just go to Play Store and install it. Or maybe it's not in your region, so that's what it simply means, for you to actually download from browser or any other source apart from Play Store. So there's no like any other way. If not, this is just the truth on what you need to know. I know a lot of people will say uninstall your they'll say restart your phone, go to storage and clear the cache, but that is not the problem. The problem is simply you need to uninstall the one you got from the source that is not vital, that is not verified, and go to Play Store. Simply go to Play Store and just search for it and install and start using it. Simple as that. Very, very simple. Very, very simple. And go to your cache, clear the cache from the storage, and the rest of that. It's not going to work. The right legit way is actually to go to Play Store and install that app. If you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more info tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. This is my next video. Bye.